Thanks for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam. Already dark out there thanks to the time change over the weekend. Looking off towards the east, the water tower in Moorhead right there along I-94. Current temperature after topping out right around 54 degrees. Winds out of the northwest at 16, so still kind of breezy out there. Those winds will slowly subside as we head through the evening, becoming light by tomorrow morning. 45 up in Langdon, 48 Roseau, 49 Thief River Falls and in Bemidji, 52 in Wadena. Also 52 over in Fergus Falls and one more 52 in the Gwinner area. And why not throw in Jamestown too? Also 52 degrees. Winds again on the breezy side, but they'll subside as we head through the overnight hours tonight. By tomorrow, some light winds, and they'll remain light as we head through much of the day, primarily out of the south during the afternoon and evening hours, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Hardly a cloud in the sky, and we're going to see some mostly clear skies tonight. Lots of sunshine as we head through Election Day Tuesday. Underneath what very few clouds we have out there, no precipitation, and none is anticipated for the next foreseeable future. The way it looks, some very quiet weather will continue. Not so quiet off to the south. A lot of rain shower activity from southern Minnesota through Iowa, eastern Nebraska, and down into parts of Kansas. An upper level low continues to slowly slide off toward the east. Down in the warmer air, some strong and even severe storms down in parts of South Texas. Off to the west, quiet, high pressure in control for most of the central and western U.S. And off to the east, same story. Quiet conditions there as well, with that one storm system sandwiched right in between. For us, it's going to be quiet. More of what we have right now is going to continue. Maybe a few clouds up in the northern portions of Minnesota as we head through the evening hours and into tonight. Overnight lows tonight dipping down into the 30s in most locations, some mid to upper 30s, maybe a few areas touching freezing across the far north. And as we head through the day tomorrow, we'll start off the day with lots of sunshine. We'll continue with plenty of sunshine as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. Those winds out of the west early, but again, they'll become southerly as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. Temperature-wise, we'll top out in the 50s in most locations by tomorrow evening around 10 o'clock, cooling back down into the upper 30s to lower 40s. Here in Fargo, we'll start off the day on a chilly note, so if you're headed to the polls early, it will be kind of cold out there with temperatures in the upper 30s, but a nice warm up by lunchtime, getting on up into the upper 40s, and by later on in the day, we'll top out in the mid 50s. Still temperatures well above normal. Nothing like what we saw over the weekend, but still temperatures well above normal. Picture of the day. Thanks for Oliver for sending this in. A fiery sunset in Clearbrook, Minnesota. We're going to use that at the background of our 7-day forecast, and weather-wise, not a whole lot going on. Some mid-50s on Election Day, some low 60s on Wednesday. We cool it down just a bit on Veterans Day. Some upper 40s. Tailgating looks good on the weekend once again, albeit a bit chillier this weekend. Some mid to upper 50s Saturday and Sunday. Monday, a touch cooler with more clouds around. And a reminder, the supermoon will be visible on Monday.
Oh, I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
There are no complaints about that lineup. Oh,
all of those temperatures, even the upper 40s on Veterans Day, all of those are still well above normal.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert. Well, relief is in sight for guacamole lovers, and that's up next.